Blindsided. Working for you and with you, Mr. President, is a real roller coaster ride. I'm sure that your staff wonders what kind of ride they signed up for when they went to work for your administration. It can't be fun. It might have been at one time. The illusions of working in the White House, the idea, the ideal of working for the President of the United States, the dream of making a difference. All those were things that surely were spinning through their heads as they said yes to your invitation to become part of your team. But now, I'm sure most wonder if this can go on and how long they can hold on. One of the hardest parts of working for you is constantly being blindsided by your tweets. The not knowing for sure what will happen each day until they look at your Twitter feed to see what you have most recently said. And then, if they're in a meeting or being interviewed and they hear about some policy change or some decisions, not from you, but out of the blue from their host, it can't be easy. Putting myself in their shoes, I can't imagine being constantly surprised by the mercurial leader for whom I work. From what I have seen, you have some remarkable people working on your staff. Some of these men and women are the best at what they do, and yet you do not seem to listen to anything they say. You already have your mind made up, and you listen to some other voice because time and again you take your staff by surprise. This is obvious by the look on their face when confronted by some, often random person who knows more than they do because they have seen your latest tweet. I presume you expect your staff to be supported and loyal regardless of what haphazard direction your path takes. They are to maintain a stoic, straight look on their face regardless of the surprising and often conflicting information coming from your feed. They're to back your play regardless of how reckless and dangerous they might think it be. After all, you are the president and you are never wrong. Working for you must be a thrill a minute, and I'm sure that most are wondering if they will ever wake up from the walking nightmare in which they currently find themselves. Most hope, I'm sure, but are not convinced that tomorrow will be better. They continue to hold on, hoping that they can make it to the end of the ride. But their confidence is gone. Their excitement is dissipated. They are just going through the motions, hoping against hope that the future will not judge them too harshly. Of course, if the past is any forecast of the future, they will probably not be around long enough to see that future.